Hello, Year Nines, and welcome to the Computing and Business Options presentation. My name is Mr. Ali, and I'm here to give you more information as to what courses we offer you within the departments. But firstly, why pick any of the courses within the Computing and Business departments? Now, if you look at the world today, everything requires good knowledge and understanding of computers and businesses, and of course, skills in software and hardware. These courses give you the essential skills to build and enhance your skills in software development, business structures, digital photo editing, and how businesses sell and promote their products to the consumers. Now, for your options, we offer you a range of 5 courses for Key Stage 4 to better meet your requirements and needs. And they are GCSE Computing, GCSE Business, Creative I Media, Enterprise and Marketing, and IT. To give you a better understanding and to allow you to decide, we have also produced a presentation for each of the subjects, giving you further information and clarification as to what is involved for each course to you and your parents. Now, please do remember that this is just the start of the process, and I encourage you to chat with your parents, your form teachers, your computing and business teachers, and of course your head of year and the senior leader team. I hope you enjoyed the subject presentation. Thank you. Hi and welcome to the Computing and Business Department presentation. My name is Mr. Ali and I am the Assistant Head of Computing and Business. This presentation is a brief introduction of all the courses that we offer for options for Key Stage 4 for Year 10 and in Year 11. So to begin with, GCSE Computing. GCSE Computing is about problem solving, programming, and learning about what is inside a computer. GCSE Business is about focusing on current businesses and their practices, as well as understanding various business issues and solutions. iMedia is about the creative side of IT. It's about planning and designing digital products. Enterprise and Marketing is understanding different businesses and how they make products to be successful. IT is the use of technology to select data as well as to manipulate, store and analyze information using different software. So this slide looks at the 3 courses, computer science, creative media and IT, to give you a better understanding about the difference between them. So with computer science, it's about how computers work, it's about networking and network protocols, it's about how computers are designed and built. You'll be also doing some programming in computer science. It's about understanding computational thinking as well as expanding your computational thinking as well. It's about making use of technology for a real life situation and applying everything that you have learned in a subject for a real life solution. Creative I Media is about project management, the production process. It's about you creating and developing a scenario on a web page. It's about you creating a digital product based on a real world scenario using a range of software from Adobe Photoshop to Adobe Illustrator to Adobe Dreamweaver to Adobe Muse and Office-based products as well. A lot of creative media is to do with planning and researching, and this is something that I like to emphasize with this product because it's not just about creating a final product. A lot of this course teaches about the fundamentals of iMedia. And finally, IT. This course is about how different technologies could be used. It's about gathering, storing and manipulating data as well as presenting data. It's about learning about advanced skills with a range of software. It's about how data and information are stored as well as being used. And finally, you'll be learning about the legal, ethical and moral considerations with using technology. So with the grading system, the GCSE grading system is different towards the Cambridge Nationals. Now with the GCSE grading, it is graded from 1 to 9, obviously 9 being the highest. With the Cambridge Nationals, it is slightly different because it is coursework based. So for each coursework, you'll be getting either a level 1 or a level 2. Now, for your coursework and exams for Cambridge Nationals, we do recommend and we highly try and push you to achieve a level 2, because level 1, if you have a look at the comparison to the GCSEs, they are, for example, a pass level 1 is an equivalent to a GCSE 1, a merit level 1 is an equivalent to a GCSE grade. So this is why we try and get you to aim for at least a level 2. Obviously, level 2 distinction is higher than a level 2 pass. So with everything that you do in Cambridge Nationals and the coursework and the exams, please make sure that you are aiming for a level 2. With the GCSE grading system, it is graded from 1 to 9, and when you take your exams in year 11, this is the grading system that you will be graded on. However, as same as the Cambridge Nationals, every half term or every term you'll be graded, and you'll be given a predicted grade on the work or the assessment that you do. And finally, these are some of the questions that you might have in your mind or want to basically ask. So the first one, you won't be using a computer every lesson, and this is because mainly our subjects are very heavy on content. So in some lessons, instead of using computers, you'll be learning about the theory and you'll be covering the content. Okay. Second bullet point, all these courses are intense and do require 100% of your engagement and effort. So again, we do ask you to pick this subject if you are engaged and are committed to complete the work to the best of your ability. Third bullet point, pick these courses for a variety of reasons. So for example, if you are going to be picking this for a career or want to expand on your skills, then please make sure you pick it. However, if you have no kind of a keen interest or a career, then we suggest not to. Bullet point 4, have a good mathematical English literacy skills and have a passion for essay writing. Now, mainly mathematical if you're doing computing, which will require you to be doing a lot of mathematical binary and logic gate calculations. We do also say that you have a keen interest in English literacy and essay writing, because a lot of the courses that we do offer do require you to be writing reports and doing a lot of presentations and essay writing as well. The other thing that we do ask is that you hand in your homework and you are keen to take your learning home and to revise and to bring it in and to make sure that you are meeting your deadlines. And finally, please make sure that you pick this course because you have valid reasons. And a reason for not picking this course if you just want to play games or if you just want to program. Obviously, for computer science, you will be doing programming, but it's not every lesson you'll be doing programming. A lot of the stuff that you will be learning for computer science is to do with theory and the basics of computer programming. So there's a lot of theory that goes into computer science. So I hope these answers all of your questions. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact me or any of the members in the department. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.